So we're going to find the Fourier transform of 2 times cosine of 2pi60 times t, where 60 is simply the fundamental frequency of the periodic signal. So as always, we keep the 2 out since it's a coefficient through linearity, and we're given that from the table cosine of 2pi f naught t, where again f naught is any frequency, transforms in the frequency domain to 1/2 del f minus f naught plus 1/2 del f plus f naught, where del is simply the Dirac delta function. Applying what we know, f naught equals 60, so that simply means it will be 2 times 1/2 del f minus 60 plus 1/2 del f plus 60. We can now distribute the 2, which gives us del f minus 60 plus del f plus 60. And that's our final answer. Basically, what this means is that if we plot the frequency domain, where the x-axis represents hertz, and the y-axis is, say, x of f for the function, on the frequencies negative 60 and positive 60, we'll have 2 impulses, both with the magnitude of 1. This is pretty important to understand mathematically in communication systems, where you'll be working with manipulating all sorts of periodic functions and frequencies. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.